AE pronunciation. So far, my idea has been to just cover the vowels in Australian English as well as the consonants in Australian English. That is what I've uploaded so far. So originally, the vowels here were one of the exercises that would come out in every single expression course, but I have now put them all up so that you can do them all, or you can focus on specific vowels that you're having trouble with at any time. And so I would just recommend going through these one by one and find the ones that you find difficult and then practice those. But for instance, you would click on the topic here. It'll take you to that page focusing on that specific vowel. You can click the audio here and you can read the words that I'm saying and repeat them out loud, and you can see the English writing as well as the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, on the right-hand side here. And so you'll also be learning the IPA for these vowels, at least in this case, as you go through these exercises. And so you can click on the side here too to go through to the next one and just work your way through this material and learn all of the Australian vowels. Once you're finished, obviously you can go down and then go to the next topic down here, the consonants, and it's the same thing currently. I have it set up in a similar way where you can do all the different consonants in Australian English. So I'm going to be adding to this as time goes by. I'm going to be putting in more and more complicated lessons with exercises, with quizzes. The idea will be to give you this weapon, this course that's designed to help you perfect your pronunciation. But that is just the first part of the Aussie English classroom. So that's the pronunciation section.